Yeah, those are gonna look good, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. New Euros, guys. Heck yeah. What is up at Jack's World? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we are getting my taillights replaced. I bought Euros. So without further ado, let's go get them changed and the car looking different. Yeah. How's taking the bumper off, dude?
Dude, they make it so... Not only you guys with the bumper off, you guys with the differential, so yeah, it just makes it as hard as fucking possible to do.
Hey, they don't make anything easy these days, huh?
Not anymore. That's 550. I would have been done 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. Oh my god. This thing just looks better and better every day I look at it. When it's clean, there's nothing better looking. When it's dirty, there's nothing more that'll piss you off. But look at it with the new Euros. Holy smokes. I'm gonna throw a little edit on the screen after I'm done yapping away on it, but the Euros make this thing look totally different, man. Look at that. Let me know if you guys like that in the comments. I absolutely love it. And whenever I go avalanche gray with peel clear, it's just gonna look so good. Definitely am happy with how it turned out. So 500 bucks well spent. I'm also glad I didn't get the RGB ones that change colors. Here we'll go through, like when I unlock the car, that's what happens. It does that stuff. That's pretty freaking cool. And then when I lock it, unlock. So that's pretty freaking cool. But heck yeah, guys, that's the car. That's the Euros that I got at Mustang Week in the prior video. And yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a solo video of just showing the Euros off, or if there's going to be any more after this. But if there's not, I appreciate every single one of you guys that click on the videos, watch the videos all the way through, comment something nice. Yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. And if the video continues, keep watching because it's Mustang Week. Let's go. Lock button and then do it.